Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate your cultural experience with Tandem, easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open the Tandem app on your device. Create an account if you haven't already done so. Log into your account. Explore the main interface to familiarize yourself with the features. Tap on the Discover tab to find language partners. Use the filters to select your preferred languages and interests. Review the profiles of potential partners. Send a message or request to connect with partners whose profiles interest you. Once a partner accepts your request, initiate a conversation. Choose your preferred method of communication, such as text, audio, or video. Set a routine for regular practice sessions with your partners. Use the translation feature as needed during conversations. Engage in cultural exchanges by asking about your partner's background. Share your own cultural experiences to enhance the conversation. Take notes during your sessions to track your progress. Utilize the practice tools available within the app for additional learning. Join community events or group chats to broaden your cultural exposure. Regularly revisit your language partner list to maintain connections. Adjust your preferences in the settings to optimize your experience. Explore additional resources within the app for deeper cultural insights. Remember to enjoy the learning journey and embrace new experiences. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.